No, 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 no. No is a powerful answer. So you want to ask no questions. What? So here's the thing. No tends to protect people, right? So you want to ask questions in which when they answer no is actually what you want to hear. For example, would it be the end of the world if you marry me? Well, no, it wouldn't be. Great, let's get married. Or would it be the end of the world if you make that payment by the end of the day? No, it wouldn't be the end of the world. So you see, you're using that sort of like automatic reaction that human beings have of no in your favor. Because yes, people are usually, I don't want to say yes. It's like, you want to close this sale right now? Well, would it be the end of the world if we close the sale right now? Well, it wouldn't be the end of the world. Sure, let's close it. So people are weary. People are very careful with when they say yes, but it's very easy for them to say no. So use no in your advantage. That's a powerful secret. If you want to try Vulcan 7, my favorite dialer and lead generation for real estate, I'm going to leave a link, an affiliate link in the video description. So feel free to click on that and check that out. They usually have some sort of deal, free month, half off or something. So click on it, see what they have, and give them a shot. I love them. Great interface, great customer service, and I did get amazing results getting listings. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. If you know anybody else who might be interested in this kind of content in real estate or just in sales in general or human interactions, everybody, feel free to share it with them as well. And other than that, if you want to try Vulcan 7, link in the description. Stay tuned for more.